resignation of the NPP sitting MDC from Jirang constituency, the party has finalized its candidate for the upcoming MDC elections. During a meeting at Bernihat today, leaders from the NPP Jirang bloc, including the NPYF and Women's Wing, unanimously decided that sitting MLA Sosthenes Sohtun will contest the election as the party's candidate. Despite three aspirants, Kit Boklang Kongyong, Balawan Simyong and Albertus Lapang applying for the party ticket, their applications were rejected due to time constraints after Victory Rani's resignation.
Lihat sini, harga beda bagi parti kecini harga bana kalian jong di sitting MDC babu Victory Rani ialah resign no ia kini kam. Namar kata kalau pelong ia kini ngelam tiba khmat tinduan ke jingkit kali peringkat pada MLA jongi harga bang yang layalum ia ke meeting balashim ia ke jingmut kasur ke jong pai ba leng ba kinong yalam tiba khmat harga bang laken thup ia kini kinong yalam nakaliang jong ke Western Riboy bat nakaliang jong ke Eastern Riboy di kini ke GS Road bakata karai dan ia ke jing su jingmut jing galong harga jing lengpot jong kapor nyala shim ia ke juga sur bakata galong harga ba i MLA badan borom jongi inhab ban shim ya kaneka benta na ka benta kaneka election MDC by in long pum candidate na ka benta ka Jirang kondisi haka bari bat neka election MDC menta wa rajar atusan
Maulai MDC Taibor Lang